Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We all know that DRDO has been very active in performing various tests, and even on October 5, 2020, the DRDO team, along with others, successfully flight tested the supersonic missile assisted release of Torpedo. The test was performed from the Wheeler Island off the coast of Odisha. The entire event, starting from the missile flight up to the range and altitude, the separation of the nose cone, the release of torpedo, and the deployment of the velocity reduction mechanism, everything was met perfectly. These events were monitored by radars, electro optical systems, telemetry stations, including the downrange ships. SMART, which is an acronym for Supersonic Missile Assisted Release of Torpedo, is basically a supersonic anti-ship missile with a medium-weight torpedo as its payload, together with the weapon working as a supersonic anti-submarine missile. To be more precise, in other words, SMART is a missile-assisted release of lightweight anti-submarine torpedo for the anti-submarine warfare operations, and this is for far beyond the torpedo's range. Normally, a torpedo has a range of around 45 to 150 kilometers, but this weapon from DRDO will surpass all such torpedoes with its longest range and also the speed. So, how do these missiles having torpedoes as payload get the target coordinates to initiate an attack? There are many ways to do this, and one of the best ways is to get the target coordinates for these DRDO SMART from the off-board sensors mounted on the helicopters used for anti-submarine warfare missions. Even though such detections can also be done using aircrafts like the Indian Navy's Boeing Poseidon P-8I maritime patrol aircraft or even using the satellites, but we will discuss only about the 24 Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk, the naval multi-mission helicopters which India is acquiring from United States for $2.12 billion deal. We all know that during Trump's visit to India during 2019, the United States approved a sale of 24 anti-submarine Hunter helicopters to India, including the spare parts for $2.12 billion deal. These multi-mission helicopters will boost Indian Navy's capability and provide them with the capability to perform anti-surface and anti-submarine warfare missions in a more powerful way. The MH-60R Seahawk helicopter is the world's most advanced maritime helicopter, and it is the most capable naval chopper available today, designed to operate from frigates, destroyers, cruisers, and aircraft carriers. These Seahawk helicopters would be coming with the dipping sonar, which would be provided by Raytheon. These helicopters, once inducted into Indian Navy, would help in detecting the enemy submarines operating far from the India warships, which are armed with these DRDO SMART systems. And these helicopters will help in transmitting the target information back to these warships and significantly expanding the range of such Indian vessels. The Seahawk helicopters would also have the Hellfire missiles, the Mk-54 torpedoes, and precision kill rockets for the potent anti-submarine warfares. So with all these setups and configurations, Indian Navy would be able to tackle any threats in the sea region. So that was a quick update on the plan of Indian Navy to integrate the SMART along with Boeing Poseidon P-8I and Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk helicopters. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.